So I recently did a post about wedding tax and explained why things cost what they cost in the wedding industry. And I'm still noticing that a lot of couples find people's pricing personally offensive. And they say things like, well, you guys are charging too much and you're taking advantage of, innocent couples. I've had people call me crying saying that a wedding vendor wouldn't take their budget so they can't get married now. This is happening because there's either a lack of clarity on how vendors price, or you're reaching out to vendors who don't service your market. So here are some options on responses. You could do the lower ticket option. Hey, our budget is this. Which of your services would be a good match? This is a great chance for the vendor to flex their knowledge, and they can educate you on what they offer. For me, my lowest ticket offer is virtual consultations. So I can easily say, yep, you can go ahead and do virtual consultations if my other packages don't work for you. You can also go to competitive route. Hey, you're higher than the other quotes I'm getting, which is this dollar amount. Can you give me more detail on your pricing? I know for a fact that some of my services cost more than market average, and I can also explain exactly why. Flexibility is the easiest one. Is there any way we can move around this price? And last but not least, just say, hey, thanks for this quote, but it's out of my budget for this vendor category. Just be nice to people.